Do you know you can get 15 pieces of meat pie from just 500 grams of flour? That is 4 cups of flour. And you can also mince your meat without using a blender. Let me show you in this video. You want to make meat pie, both commercial or for home use, and you do not have blender. Now, your mortar comes to the rescue. Don't mind this my mortar. Even after washing it, the thing is looking like harmattan. I want to carry it. Carry your mortar. Use small knife. Pieces the meat small small. Put it in your mortar and pound it. You're going to get that perfect blended meat. Don't say I did not do anything for you. Now proceed to boiling your Irish potato and carrot. Yes, I boil mine before I add it to the meat pie sauce. So boil both of them together. Welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. Here I teach you how to bake different types of things, like from your cake to your pastries, everything for free. Correct recipes, tested and trusted. So if it's your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be seeing more videos. Now let me just say about this particular meat pie order. Have you ever had a customer that ordered something that feels so weird to you? Now let me explain. This particular meat pie order came in and the lady said they are using it for a picnic. They are 5 in number, so they need like half dozen, that's 12 pieces that they will be taking it to let me spare you all those details. But do you know the thing she said that caught my attention? She said she wants the meat pie to be dry inside, like she don't want it to have that moist feeling that we normally do inside meat pie. And in my mind I'm like, why now? Because that's the cocoa, the icing on top of the cake for meat pie. Now that's juicy feeling inside. She said she wants hers dry. I had to do what I had to do. What the customer says she gets. So that's why I made this particular meat pie feeling to be like this. But the taste is awesome. When I mean awesome, the taste is so nice. Our meat pie filling is gradually coming together. As you can see, it doesn't have that slurry look. That is what my client wants. So this one is the dry version of it. But don't make your own to be like this unless you want. Is a matter of choice, because once you put it in the oven it will get more dry more than this. So you add in your green pepper. There's this taste that green pepper gives to meat pie filling. Try it and thank me later. Then you adjust your seasoning, your Maggi cubes, your salt, and give it a very good stir, and then bring it down and set it aside to get cold, while you proceed to start mixing your meat pie dough, so that before you finish mixing that one, this one will get cold and you can now use it to fill in your meat pie. Don't use hot filling for your meat pie. So we're going to be working with 500 grams of flour. So to get a very flaky melting mouth meat pie, you need to do the 2:1 ratio. That is, you need to use the same, like half of the flour measurement is what you will use for your margarine. As I'm using 500 grams of flour, I'll be using 250 grams of margarine, cold margarine. Cold ingredients helps meat pie too. It helps to give you that flaky stretch mark body, something like that. So go ahead and mix your margarine and your flour together. You continue mixing till there is no trace of the margarine again. And how you will know that your margarine came out well is when you gather the flour together, it will come together like you can see in the video. That is to show that there is enough margarine in this flour. I also advise you add at least 1 tablespoon of sugar in your meat pie dough and thank me later. There is a bit different I used to have that argument too, that sugar is not needed inside meat pie, till I tried it and I love the outcome. Just 1 tablespoon to 500 grams of flour. If you're doing 250 grams, you do half tablespoon. Just try it and tell me the outcome in the comment section. It is not noticeable, but there will be a distinct feeling you will notice. Then you're going to mix it with cold margarine and cold water. That was what I used to mix this particular dough. Today's virtual hug is for Necro from Sweden. Thank you, Necro, for watching my videos. Thank you for dropping a comment. Please drop where you're watching this video from. Tell me your location and let me drop a virtual hug for you in my next video. Where are you watching from, dearest viewer? After mixing your meat pie dough, let it rest for like 20 to 30 minutes before you start rolling it out. Yes, it will help it not to break more when you're rolling it. So you're going to cut them into smaller bits and get your egg wash ready, get your meat pie cutter ready and roll it to be thin. Not very thin till it breaks, but let it be thin. That's the way you're going to get enough pie from this 500 grams of flour. So you roll it till it's thin, but not thin to break. Oh. Then go ahead, put in your filling as I did in this video. Just watch me do it step by step and replicate it. Then you put it in your meat pie cutter and give it the shape you want. If you do not have a meat pie cutter, you can use your round plate to give it that round shape. Then use your fork to do the mouth. Seal with your egg wash and put it in your baking tray. The baking tray, I already greased it with butter.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out.
See this beauty now. Can't you see the skin? Can't you see the beauty? Oh yeah, now go ahead and make your own meat pie. Oh. And can you see how many we got from this 500 grams of flour? Are you seeing the size? This is medium size of meat pie, sold for 1,000 naira. Yes, you heard me, because the filling is rich. So it depends on your location though. Some persons sell more than 1,000 naira. If you want to add some extra paparazzi to the body of the meat pie, you're going to use your new razor blade to give it some marks on the body, and then go ahead and egg wash it with your egg and take it to your already preheated oven and bake that yummy goodness. Look at our meat pie. So tell me, will you be trying out this recipe in the comment section? Thank you for watching up to this point. Please check out other videos on my channel. You will love them. Bye bye. See you in my next.